Well, your forecast is definitely on the active side today compared to yesterday. Yesterday was beautiful. Sun was out and we warmed up. Our Keeneland live weather bug camera show the sky just starting to brighten up, as does our St. Joseph Hospital live camera looking downtown. And we've got a max track that has no precipitation on it yet. That'll change later today. It's all up north, but we've got a cold front coming in. So that frontal boundary, as it drops in, is going to spike the wind, the temperature, and the rain chance all at once. Well, in order, actually. We'll first see the wind and as well isolated showers this morning, and then the temperature rise. And then after the front goes through, that'll be our best chance for some scattered showers. Look at the timing, mid to late afternoon into this evening, some cold rain showers around, and then things dry out and get chillier on the back end of that. So our rain chance is ramping up. Today it's on the lower end and it kicks in late in the day, but notice how it spikes this weekend. There's going to be a wave of heavy rain, probably multiple waves across the Tennessee Valley, down into the deep south, punching up into southern Kentucky. So we're going to be riding the northern edge of what could be fairly significant, substantial rainfall over the weekend. Too early to say, specific amounts, but it could be a number of inches as we're showing here. And you go from heavy rain to talking all about snow. We're far enough away from it. Let's recap what we just went through in February. February had 8.6 inches of snow. We're not likely going to add to that total through the end of the month because we're primarily talking about rain. That makes it our 20th snowiest February on record, tied with 1917. Since December 1st, we've had 18.5 inches of snow in Lexington. 32nd snowiest December through February, meteorological winter. That's tied with 59 and 60 in 1915-1916 season. And then since July 1st, really since November, since our first snow, we've had over 20 inches, almost 21 inches of snow. We average 13 inches of snow annually. So overall, our 40th snowiest July through June. So yeah, none of these numbers are incredible, our 20th snowiest February, but that is a lot of snow. For the month of February, we typically only average 4.6 inches of snow for the entire month. So yeah, we definitely overperformed. That's over, and we're talking all about the rain and of course the wind and the temperature. 42 degrees in Lexington now. That gusty southwesterly wind will push highs into the upper 50s to low to mid 60s south today, but look at this. By mid to late morning, there's that wind really cranking up. So we're going to go upwards of 30, maybe 35. Some folks may push 40-mile-per-hour gusts at times today. And then by dinner, the wind starts to die down as those showers develop after the front goes through. And then tomorrow, everything just kind of simmers down. But the ups and downs temperature-wise, our average high is 48. We're about 10 degrees or more warmer than that today, and then back to reality tomorrow and Friday. Along with that push of heavy rain that I was talking about later in the weekend, we will end up milder. Yeah, that's a high in the low to even mid 50s this weekend. The 6 to 10 day temperature outlook does show that above normal setup east of the Mississippi continuing as we get into early March. So quick check of that 8 day shows a gusty, blustery, balmy Wednesday with showers out there later in the day, and then that wetter weekend the farther along in it you go.